Hello there! In this lesson we'll be using dots to create this tiger. This is a great mindfulness project and you get a beautiful painting at the end of it all. I have to admit, when I started this project I had a few doubts whether it was going to be as relaxing as mandala and dot painting is supposed to be. But as you'll see, once you get started painting, you really get into the relaxation zone. Before you start, insert your wooden wedges into all four corners of the canvas so the canvas is taut. I'm using a Montmartre chalk paint to coat the surface of the canvas. It's going to make a great backdrop for the outline of the tiger and makes a good surface for the white charcoal outline. I give the canvas a thin, even coat of the chalk paint with an abstract expression brush. This type of brush is great because it has stiff bristles and makes it easy to spread your paint. Let the coat dry. The outline for our tiger, as well as the PDF lesson plan, can be found in the link above. Draw up the tiger using a white charcoal pencil. Start by drawing the vertical and horizontal lines. We're not going to show a lot of this as you can follow the provided outline. Just work on trying to make it as symmetrical as you can. Once your tiger is drawn up, mix up all the colours you want to use. For this project we're using 14 colours and you can find all of them and how to mix them in the PDF lesson plan. You might want to keep the mixes in disposable cups covered with cling film to stop the paint drying out while you're working on other colours. Colour 1 is titanium white. To make it easy to reference my colours, I number each cup with the corresponding number on the provided colour chart. Colour 2 is a light grey mixed from titanium white and ivory black. Mixing the colours is easiest with a palette knife, so you can wipe off the excess paint and avoid contaminating the next colour. I'm also using a tear-off paper palette, so I don't have to keep cleaning the surface when moving to lighter colours. Colour 3 is a medium grey created from titanium white, ivory black and a bit of yellow ochre. You don't need to make the colours exact for this project. Go ahead and have some fun. We're really just concerned with the patterning and bold colours. You could go fluoro, create a colour theme or work on matching your decor in a room. It's all up to you. Our last colour is emerald green. Once all the colours are mixed, add a little bit of water to each cup so your paint has the same texture as thickened cream. Now lay all your colours out. I'm using a round plastic palette and have also numbered each well to keep track of my colours. Acrylic paint dries quite quickly, so keep adding small amounts so your paint is always a good workable consistency. There are 6 dot sizes that make up this painting. The smallest is created with a small round brush that has had the paint dried in its bristles. The next size up is created with a 3/16 sized drill bit, followed by a clay tool for dot 3. We'll use a small hobby knife handle for dot 4 and a full-sized hobby knife handle for dot 5. Our biggest dot is actually 16mm in diameter, so for this one I've cut the end of an old number 20 oil paint brush to create a flat round surface. Now we're going to refer to our colour dot painting guide, which you can find in the lesson PDF. This will show you what colour goes where and what size to use. Now let's start dotting.